I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Having been around since 1954, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, also known as Sonderklasse, honors its 70th anniversary this year. To be comprehensive, though, the S-Class nameplate wasn't adopted until 1972. Thus, reckoning from the W116 in 1972 as the first official generation of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the full-size luxury sedan series has been around for 7 generations already. Arriving in the fall season of 2020, W223, the current generation lacked a coupe or convertible body style. The limousine can be ordered in both short and long wheelbases, though. Among other modifications are the guard armored variant, the Maybach models, or the high-performance AMG variant. Given the multitude of choices and vast range of gasoline, diesel, plug-in hybrid, and mild hybrid engines, including V8s and a V12, you would think people wouldn't get tired with the S-Class very fast. Nonetheless, the German manufacturer does not want a chance that even if the W223 has been praised for its high-tech components inside mixed with its simple and classic outer look. Consequently, the imaginative world of digital automobile content creators and the rumor mill sense a mid-cycle redesign approaching. The former have quickly observed that subtly disguised models are already prowling the streets sporting a more radiator grille than BMW would most likely approve. At least as far as the nice people over at the Auto Ya Data channel on YouTube are concerned. The reports also speak of a totally new interior layout with extra goodies and some possible powertrain improvements. Therefore, the resident pixel master of the channel has allegedly envisioned the CGI appearance of the forthcoming Mercedes S-Class with a full facelift looking even cleaner than before. Although these unofficial renderings should always be treated with a grain of salt, the possible design project of the S-Class limousine comes with redesigned headlights, a refreshed bumper, a wider or more prominent grille, plus a whole makeover of the inside. More precisely, the resident pixel master has given the hypothetical S-Class a lot of fancy exterior shadows but also a new steering wheel and a panoramic, full-width LED screen spanning across the entire dashboard instead of the current portrait-oriented central display used by the real Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Of course, this time for the interior, the movie posted below shows another color reel lacking motion. What then do you believe? Mercedes-Benz is holding the surprise for the inside or not and is going easy on the W223 S-Class with subdued outward changes? Should we consider the ugly EQS as a clue to what's going on inside instead?